Good day to our respective employers in Hong Kong. I am Jonalyn Marquez. I am 36 years old and I am single. My father's name is Porfirio Marquez and my mother's name is Josephine Marquez. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I am first in the family. I live in Laie Ibabaw, San Juan, Batangas. I am a Roman Catholic and I am a high school graduate. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I work for 4 members in the family, 2 adults and 2 children. My duties are taking care of 2 children, cooking Chinese food, car washing, ironing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn my salary to help my family here in the Philippines. To all respective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I will promise that I will do my duties and responsibility and I will follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.